Do you often struggle to focus or find it hard to think clearly? Maybe your mind feels cluttered, or you can't seem to stay sharp during important moments. If this sounds familiar, you're not alone. We all go through times when it's difficult to stay focused or clear-headed. The good news is, there are simple techniques you can use to quickly boost your mental clarity. In this video, I'll share 5 effective methods that will help you reset your mind and regain focus in no time. Keep watching to find out how you can improve your mental clarity today. 1. Prioritize sleep for mental clarity. If you've ever felt foggy-headed or struggled to concentrate after a bad night's sleep, you're not alone. Sleep is one of the most crucial elements for a sharp mind. When you don't get quality rest, your brain isn't able to process information properly, leading to sluggishness and difficulty focusing. On the flip side, when you get enough rest, you wake up feeling refreshed, alert, and ready to take on the day. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of uninterrupted sleep each night, and try to stick to a consistent sleep schedule. Creating a calming bedtime routine, avoiding caffeine late in the day, and keeping your sleep environment cool and dark will help ensure a good night's rest. Your mind needs rest to operate at its best. Don't underestimate the power of sleep. 2. Get active with regular exercise. Exercise isn't just good for your body, it's great for your brain too. Physical activity increases blood flow to your brain, stimulating the growth of new brain cells and improving memory. When you exercise, your body releases endorphins, natural mood boosters that can also reduce stress and anxiety, leaving you with a clearer, more focused mind. You don't have to spend hours at the gym to see the benefits. Just 30 minutes of moderate exercise a few times a week can make a big difference. Whether it's a brisk walk, a bike ride, or a short yoga session, moving your body helps clear your mind and improves cognitive function. Try to incorporate movement into your day, even if it's just stretching in the morning or taking a walk after lunch. 3. Practice mindfulness to center yourself. Mindfulness is about being fully present in the moment, focusing your attention on what's happening right now, and not letting your mind wander into stress, anxiety, or distractions. It's an effective way to sharpen your mental clarity and reduce mental clutter. A simple mindfulness practice is to sit quietly for 5 to 10 minutes and focus on your breathing. Pay attention to how the air moves in and out of your body. If your mind starts to wander, gently bring your focus back to your breath. This practice can help calm your nervous system and improve your ability to think clearly. You don't need to meditate for hours. Just a few minutes of mindfulness each day can make a significant impact on your focus and mental clarity. 4. Stay hydrated for optimal brain function. Dehydration is one of the most overlooked causes of mental fog. Your brain is made up of about 75% water, and it relies on hydration to function properly. When you don't drink enough water, your brain can't operate at its full potential. Symptoms of dehydration can include difficulty concentrating, memory problems, and feeling fatigued. Basically, all the things that contribute to mental fog. To keep your mind clear, make sure you're drinking enough water throughout the day. The general guideline is to drink at least 8 glasses of water a day, but you may need more depending on your activity level and environment. Carry a water bottle with you as a reminder to stay hydrated, and you'll notice a difference in your mental clarity. 5. Break up your day with quick mental breaks. Have you ever worked for hours straight, only to find that your focus starts slipping and your mind gets foggy? It's because our brains can't maintain focus for extended periods without a break. Taking short breaks throughout the day is essential for mental clarity. It helps refresh your brain, reduces stress, and improves overall productivity. Every 60 to 90 minutes, take a short break. Whether it's a walk, a few minutes of stretching, or just standing up and moving around. Even something as simple as deep breathing for a couple of minutes can help reset your mind. Breaking up your workday and giving yourself time to recharge will help you stay sharp, focused, and clear-headed all day long. There you have it, 5 simple and effective techniques to boost your mental clarity and reset your mind. Prioritize quality sleep, get active with regular exercise, practice mindfulness, stay hydrated, and don't forget to take mental breaks throughout your day. By making these techniques part of your routine, you'll find yourself thinking more clearly, focusing better, and feeling more in control of your thoughts. If you found these tips helpful, Don't forget to hit the like button, share this video with friends who could use a mental clarity boost, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and strategies on improving your mental well-being. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.